In far southeast Oklahoma, deep in the woods and high in the hills, a hidden luxury treehouse is welcoming thrill seekers from around the world.
Whoa.
This is called Treetopia, a one-of-a-kind Airbnb that now is not so hidden.
We're inside a giant tree.
YouTuber Ryan Trahan, who has 21 million subscribers, recently named it the best Airbnb in the entire country. He visited 50 states in 50 days to find the best one.
The Oklahoma Treetopia Treehouse is our winner! #1! Yay!
My wife Priscilla and I decided to see it for ourselves. So off we went. A long drive south through the Ouachita Mountains to Hochatown to first grab a bite to eat.
I do like cherry salsa. Have you had it?
I don't think so.
It's here you'll find a pizza restaurant and gift shop with a fun rock band pun for a name.
They like pizza, they like Grateful Dead. Put them together, and here you go.
Grateful Head Pizza has exploded in popularity in recent years.
We'll do the small psychedelic Supremo.
The psychedelic pizza was psychedelically cheesy and a perfect fuel for the Airbnb just 5 minutes away. When you pull up, a long suspension bridge and a massive 3-story treehouse greets you.
Who goes there?
And at least on this day, so did the Treetopia owners.
I've had treehouse in my blood for a long, long time.
This is David and Sarah Clampett, a husband and wife team who, after finding the land, had the crazy dream to build on it.
It is beautiful. You can see for miles and miles and miles. And that's how we picked this area.
After first building a 7-bedroom Airbnb nearby with an inside slide, their next project became this. The first challenge, building a suspension bridge to walk to it.
The engineers they couldn't wrap their head around my thought process, and then they had to engineer the platform with the house and load factors with winds and all this other crazy stuff.
After figuring out the bridge, the couple decided to build a second one, which takes you to a freestanding hot tub.
So I'm like, do it, engineer it, let's figure it out.
On the elevated porch surrounding the home, the couple built a grill, outdoor seating space, and movie screen built into a tree.
You can stream through it. We've got surround sound here.
Next to that is a built-in sauna and a bucket of water if it gets too hot. Instead of stairs, there's also this.
One of the coolest parts about this Airbnb is the slide.
At the base is a waterfall, swinging porch, and space for a campfire. Perfect for a fall evening. If the weather doesn't cooperate, though, a fully heated and cooled 3-tiered inside also offers plenty to do.
Do you dare step on the glass?
Yeah.
The main floor has a living and dining area, kitchen, and bedroom.
How did you get this bed up here? That's what I want to know.
Second-story master bedroom, though, is a sight in itself. A garage behind the bed opens up, and the bed can roll outside when there's good weather.
A lot of nice nights here, and so this allows you to go luxury camping if you want.
The attached bathroom also has an outdoor space.
And rinse off?
Fall would be perfect for this.
Yeah.
Across the hall is a built-in Miss Pac-Man game and a 3-tiered bunk bed, perfect for the kids. The third level is for the thrill seekers.
My biggest fear is height.
6 stories above the ground, the Clampetts designed a net where you can lie down and look straight through the glass flooring to the patio below.
Oh my gosh, if I go down.
I know it's...
Just try to be a little more graceful than us. No matter how you enjoy the house, though, the Clampetts say they're honored people are traveling from around the world for their dream getaway, like this group from Texas who showed up as we were leaving.
We all pitched in and we're celebrating her. Yesterday was her birthday.
So, whether it's a birthday or any other celebration,
#1,
you too can slide your way to a fall adventure right here in the Sooner State.